Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Quick Actions in Finder on your Mac. Quick Actions let you do things like rotate images, create PDFs, trim videos, and more, without even opening another app. All you need to do is open Finder, then right-click on any file, like a photo, video, or document, and look for the Quick Actions section in the menu. Depending on the file type, you'll see different options. For example, if you right-click an image, you might see Rotate Left, or Convert to PDF. For videos, you might see Trim. You can also click Customize to add or remove other actions like Markup, Create PDF, or Run Shortcut. You can even access Quick Actions from the Preview pane in Finder. Just select a file, and on the right-hand side you'll see Quick Actions listed. One click and you're done. It's a fast and easy way to save time and get more done without opening any extra apps. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.